You searched how to buy shares of AB Electrolux Class B, ticker ELUXB.ST. AB Electrolux makes household and professional appliances worldwide. The stock trades on CBOEEU under ELUXB.ST. This short guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify the account, which usually requires an identity document. You will also need to add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ELUXB.ST to find the listing. Check the search results carefully and select the entry that matches AB Electrolux Class B to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for ELUXB.ST. Review the company summary and recent price action to confirm this is the correct Electrolux Class B listing. Press the Invest or Trade button and enter the amount you wish to buy, either in currency or number of shares. Review the order details and confirm the instruction before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to deposit more before the order is finalized. After purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. For a direct link to eToro, see the description below.